So our tree trimming program usually is in full effect between November and January. And we like to do it when the trees have lost all or the majority of their leaves. And the reason being is that they tend to respond to pruning and trimming a little better. If you were to do it in the summertime, they tend to want to sprout and encourages growth a little more than it would in the wintertime. And so kind of the main reason why we do that is for vehicle and pedestrian safety, as well as site visibility on the roadways. In a given year, we're not going to make it around the whole city tree trimming. The main goal from year to year is about a third to a half of the city. We go by zones, and those zones where we've been can be viewed on the city website, but in a calendar year, we're just aiming to get as much done within those zones as we possibly can. I always told myself growing up that I didn't really want to be kind of cooped up in an office. I really enjoyed being able to be outside and just, kind of working within nature, and that's kind of like my office. It's something that I hope to do till the day I retire.